Hello everyone, George here, and unfortunately my voice seems to be leaving me again. Been having a problem in the last few weeks with this. If you've been reading any of the comments, you might have noticed that I am using an earlier version of Unity, 5.3.5. This mainly has to do with the fact that at work we use this version, I believe actually we're on 5.3.6. We use this version because it has compatibility with our large-scale VR systems. I understand that there might be deprecated methods and other functionality that no longer works, and it's causing some of you who happen to watch some difficulties. So why don't we go ahead and upgrade Unity to, I shudder to say this, the latest version. Let's go to help, and there should be an update, right? Let's go for it. Let's download the latest version, which is, oh boy, that's a jump, 5.5. What was I using again? 5.3. Okay, let's do it and just deal with the repercussions. You might have just noticed I had to close Unity. That particular application, since it's overriding it, was blocking it from being installed. So as soon as I closed it, everything was fine with the download assistant. When it comes to version releases, I always wonder if the 5.5.0 F3, the last bit of the decimal place, is actually in hex. Because if you think about it, that gives you a much larger range of values within the decimal place. And ultimately probably provides you with a more cryptic but cool version number. So given that's F, so that would be 000011110011 in binary. The only reason I know that is because I love to play Flippy Bit on my computer, or actually my phone when I'm bored, and converting between hex and binary is very important for my PhD qualifiers, which are coming up next semester, which is kind of scaring me a lot. Why is it scaring me, you think? Well, most of you don't know a lot about me other than the videos I post on YouTube, but my undergraduate was in civil and environmental engineering. I got a master's in electrical engineering at Rowan. However, it didn't really require me to understand a whole lot about electrical engineering, those fundamental courses. So the qualifier requires that I understand a lot. And I'm pretty sure the only thing that I'm really capable of understanding is digital systems, computer architecture, and potentially a low-level electrical engineering course. Meaning I haven't taken a course in it, but I could potentially teach myself in the necessary time to get through the exams. Just so you know, we've got so much more to do with this game before it's ready. We got scene selection, storing player preferences, making each level interesting, making at least 3 more animatronics, right, for the game, and then of course texturing the entire layout. Alright, so we're ready to launch Unity and see ultimately how many things go wrong. Alright, so already the start menu looks a heck of a lot different. We're not dealing with the cloud, so let's just open the game up and see what happens. Oh boy, yep, okay, let's upgrade it and see what happens. Alright, so we've got a problem already. Starting off, recommended project settings for Steam, that went away. Okay, there it is, back. GPU skinning current equals false. Let's just say yes, clear all ignores, close, we're good to go. There's no errors from going from the prior script to this one. I'm going to edit this video down to probably nothing, but ultimately, if you happen to be working on a later version, you know, there's nothing going on here, there's no problems. So if you are finding an error in the script or whatever you're typing, it's probably user error, which I hate to say, but ultimately that's probably what it is, because everything's working fine. I don't have any deprecation errors, I don't have any warnings, I don't have anything. Sorry if that was a boring video. I promise we're going to get to some better stuff in the next one. See you then. So long. Bye.